about blood circulation. Have you seen the discharge of blood when the body is injured? What color is the blood? Any guess? Yes, it's dark red. The blood circulates in all parts of the body. The main organ of the body which pumps blood to all parts of the body is called the heart. The heart is located between the lungs, slightly towards the left. It is protected by the chest cavity. Have you seen lifting water from a well through pipes with the help of a pump? In the same way, the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels. The blood circulates to all parts of the body. It gets impure by receiving carbon dioxide from all parts of the body. This impure blood enters the heart through blood vessels. From the heart, this impure blood reaches the lungs. In the lungs, it gives up carbon dioxide and receives oxygen and becomes pure. The pure blood reaches the heart once again through the blood vessels. Pure blood, which has oxygen, reaches all parts of the body through blood vessels. This is blood circulation. For proper blood circulation in your body, we should eat vegetables and fruits regularly. Do exercises daily.